Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High Grade 1. Now we are on chapter 6 that says I can fly. So who can fly? Yes, birds can fly. So this is a motivational poem about a little bird who was afraid of flying. Later on, it tried and succeeded. Let's read the poem. Now, before we read the poem, we have a small activity which says that look at the pictures. Can you do both the activities? So, in the first picture, the child is swimming. Okay, if you cannot do, take the reason for that. I did not learn. I swallowed water. I scrapped my knee once. So, my reply, my option is I never tried for it. Next, we have a girl cycling. So yes, I do, I have done this and I really love cycling. I'm afraid of water. I caught cold. My friends laughed when I fell down. Okay, so the options, whichever you say is correct. Okay, but then, they have mixed up the options. They have mixed up the options for the swimming as well as cycling. So you need to, separate them and then write. Like for swimming, definitely you can feel cold. So this goes for swimming. Then I scratch my knee is definitely for not for swimming, it is for cycling. So you can write S for swimming and C for cycling in front of the option. So now we have the poem. Okay, you all must be wondering that I always say that we are going to read a small poem or we are going to read a poem. So just let me tell you, I just forgot to tell you when I started with it that the correct pronunciation is poem, it is not poem, right? So the correct pronunciation is poem. The little bird cried, oh my, how they will laugh if I try to fly. So there was a little bird, who had that feeling that, when I start flying and if I'm not able to fly, people, the animals around, the big birds and other animals around, they will laugh at me even if I try flying and if I do not succeed in it. So the little bird had that in her mind that yes, everybody is going to make fun of me. If I flutter and flop. So flutter is of a bird or other winged creature, flap its wing quickly and lightly. Okay, so now the bird says, you all know flutter and flop or tumble and fall. The bird says that, if I flutter, if I flop, if I'm not able to, fly, if I tumble down, if I fell down, so everybody will laugh at me. And will the other animals laugh at me, clumsy and small? And, so many things were going on across the mind that yes, if I'm not able to fly, if I do not succeed, if I fell down, if I tumble down. So what is tumble down? Fall suddenly, right? And then will the other birds laugh at me and will they think that I'm clumsy, I'm not able to do that, I'm small, too young? So clumsy is awkward, right? But the sun shone down with a kind face. Just try and soon you will fly with grace. But then, the sun that was shining brightly and, the sun said that, you should try and there will be no time, within no time you'll be able to find with grace, with confidence. Okay? Grace is beautifully, smoothness and elegance of movement. The bird tried height, not minding the fall. Now, the sun motivated the bird and the bird decided that yes, even though I fall, I will definitely try. Now the great eagle flies high above all. So now, the eagle was so much confident that it flew higher than the other birds. So the moral of this poem is that, you should never give up. You should keep trying. And before getting into any task, definitely we do have a number of questions. We do have a number of doubts. But then we should not consider them and we should be all positive that yes, I can do and I will do. So now this was a poem by Paul King. Baby eagles are called eaglets. At 10 to 12 weeks of age, an eaglet is physically ready to fly. So this was, which bird was, trying to fly? It was a baby eagle. Next, we have the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of rise? Fall. Absolutely correct. Which of the following words means the same as gentle? Cruel, bad, unkind, or kind? Gentle, it is cruel. Next, we have the para and we need to answer the questions. If I flutter and flop or tumble or fall, will the other birds laugh at me? Clumsy and small. Who said these lines? So these lines were said by the little bird. The little bird was dash. The little bird was, let's check. The little bird was worried and the little bird cried. So the little bird was, in this they haven't given us the exact word. So what we can write is, the little bird was furious of flying. The little bird was not confident. The little bird was scared of flying. So anything can be done. Why did the bird think that the other birds will laugh at it? The bird, thought that the other birds would laugh at him, laugh at it because, she had that doubt that what if I'm not able to fly, if I spread my wings and then, I'm not able to take a flight, or if I tumble down. So they will all think that, see what a clumsy, awkward bird it is, right? So she was, little bird was afraid of all these things. Number the sentences in the correct order. One has been done for you. Once there was a little bird. It can fly very high. It said, try, you will fly soon. The bird tried. It wanted to fly, but it said the other words. Okay. Once there was a little bird. It wanted to fly, but it said the other birds will laugh at me if I fall. Next. Then the sun saw it. It said, try, you will fly soon. Next, the bird tried. Now it can fly very high. So this is the sequencing. Coming to the next, we have the question answers. Try and you will fly, who said to whom? So these were the dialogues which were said by the sun to motivate the little bird. What did the bird want? The bird wanted to fly, but then on the other hand, she was scared too that others would make fun of her if she did not succeed in flying. So that was all about the story. Hope you all like not the story, all about the poem. Hope you all loved it. Read it once again. Go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.